How to create a Zara account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for account.zara.com. You will further be led to the login portal of Zara. So go ahead and enter a valid email address and then tap on the continue button and further enter your name and your surname and then tap on the continue button again. You will then receive a verification code in the email address that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code sent to you, and with this, as you can see, your Zara account is all set. So this was about how you can create a Zara account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.